Guys, mag-walking po kami ng mga pamangkin ko para ma-exercise po kami. So going to Adlawan po kami, guys. Okay, arahabugan ni guys, lugsungon ba? Namuha mong naong because we were swimming in Bajang earlier. Tungason, guys. I'm wet. My cellphone is wet. That's the miracle fruit. It's like melon.
Yes.
Miracle fruit, but it's very hard. The bunga is very hard. It's like metal. When you cut it, it's so strong, the shell. Nindot ang mga bahay diri guys sa among barrio. This is a cute house. I like it. Maraming mga malalaking bahay dito, guys. Cute ilang tanom, oh. Our Virgen de la Paz Von Viaje Chapel there. Then this way to Adlawan. I like these coconut trees. Wow. Dito na kami, guys. Mag-exercise na kami. Hala, may bago palang farm dito ng ng dragon fruit farm. Oh. But very few only. Sunset in the Philippines. This is the road to Adlawan. Di na pinya. Oy, di maguna pinya. That's kuan. Kanang sigana murag pinya ag dahon. Oh, this is where we walked before here with my Laura and Jos. Meron pala sila ditong at least they put some compost pit, fertilizer ba. Another farm here of kanang dragon fruit. Very few only, but I'm sure it's nice when when there is already fruit. Uli na ta, balik na ta. Ta magpa-picture sa ta diri sa tong pinya. Pinya nga way sod. Pinya nga way bunga.
Pinya nga wa tanan.
Di na tama to kay layuan na sila. Oh, manguli na kami sa aming walking, guys. Tapos na po kami nagpasingot ng 20 minutos. So, meron na pala dito sa Adlawan, boundary Adlawan and Valencia, dragon fruit farm. It's good to know. Parang dito na ako magbili pag magbunga na siya. Kasi this is my favorite fruit also. Oh, it's nice. At least we have something here. Yung anak ka bakilid, guys. Bakilid. Bakilid. The bakilid of Kanduaw. Oh. It's morning hours na pod. 5 o'clock. Magdaob na naman. Oh, nindot ni pahat. Pwede ka dito maglotog tibok adlaw. Pamatulog whole day ba? Lugsong pa. Lugsong. Sige. Yun ang dagat, oh. Dagat going down. Don't fall down. Don't roll over.